Well, I better step back here and let you see all the stuff that's just on the wall here. Well, here we are at the Noah Purifoy outdoor exhibit where he has all this different art that they've made out here. And we're going to walk around, take a little look, and see some of this different stuff. And I noticed this was an old sailboat here, and at the top of the sailboat there's a big old beehive, and it has all kinds of bees coming out of there. A little tiny hole. It must be full of honey in there. Alright, let's look around. There's Leona over here looking inside the first building here. Let's see what's up inside here. These old computers here. Well, they were really making some stuff up in here. As you walk around in a circle, here's some old skis. And they got some ski boots up there and some more skis. A couple water skis. Yeah. It's cool coming to these art installations like this. You never know what you're going to see. I mean, over here, toilet parts. Huh. Let's go walk around and look at some more stuff. Stage up inside there. Some bottles. Let's go in. Wow, I better step back here and let you see all the stuff that's just on the wall here. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. All the crushed mirrors are always sort of cool. I like when they glue those to pieces of wood and stuff. Huh. They were actually using newspapers there, that they were going to build the walls to insulate with old newspapers. And the rocks hanging. You see those, but drilled some holes through some rocks and hung them up. They were digging like an underground bunker. Wow, it goes quite deep. Surprising how deep it is. Alright. Oh, that's some big chain there. All kinds of toilets. Toilet seats. Get up here, now you can take a look. Put all these toilet seats together here. Toilets. Show you a little bit of everything all around while I have this view from up here. A lot of really cool stuff. It's bizarre what people just go out in the desert and they start building this, and then you get us coming out here and exploring this stuff. They've made quite the train here. Old beer kegs, toilets, more beer kegs, vacuums. Actually, a bunch of old Kirby's there. Everyone used to have a Kirby. There was actually Kirby salesmen that would go door to door and come out and sell you one of these vacuums that just did everything. And they were amazing vacuums. I mean, they really worked good. Cool little rock work that they've done. Alright, you guys know I like unicycles. If you watch the Ransburg video where the girl rides the unicycle around, pretty cool video. Got a little graveyard here. I don't want to know who's buried. Just all kinds of random stuff out here. I'm gonna walk back here and look at have a stack of toilets. Looks pretty cool. Or this stack of chairs right here. Squatter shack. I got a little plaque there. I'll have to read that. It's a squatter shack on it. Well, you gotta be careful where you walk out here. That's choya there. That will stick right in you. Well, here's what I walked out here for, is to be able to see this statue of these toilets. Oh, it's pretty cool. What people make art with. I mean, just stuff from the desert. I'm sure mostly everything that's out here is stuff that came from the desert. bunch of old aluminum chairs. And some crosses up there. Some automotive parts. This thing's a trip. Yeah, it's a cool little art installation out here. Got a few other people out here right now looking around. See if we can go into this over here. The shelter. Huh. What a trip. I mean, it'd be really neat if this was all fixed up. I'm sure in its day when this was all really done cool, I bet it was awesome. I mean, it's still cool with all the old antiques and everything the way it is. But I'm sure when the guy was making all this, he probably had it set up pretty fancy, I would assume. Sort of a little spooky in here. All right.
Before heading out, I think it's worth taking a second to talk about Noah Purifoy himself. He wasn't just an artist, he was an educator, a community organizer, and someone who really believed art should be accessible to everyone. After helping organize the Watts Towers Art Center following the Watts riots, he eventually moved out here to the desert and started building this place piece by piece using discarded and forgotten materials. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on our next journey.